Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 5 to the power t. This is equal to t to the power 625. To solve for the value of t here, we multiply both signs first by 1 over t. So this is t to the power 625 multiplied by 1 over t. So now from what we have here, if you have a raised to the power n raised to the power m, this can be expressed as a to the power n times m. So following this property, t and t here simplifies, so that now here we have 5 is equal to t to the power 625, this raised to the power 1 over t. Now following the property that a raised to the power n raised to the power m, this can be expressed as a to the power m raised to the power n. So applying this exponent property, then here now applying this exponent property, then here we will have t to the power 1 over t raised to the power 625. This is equal to 5. The next step here is to multiply both signs by 1 over 625. This is equal to 5 raised to the power 625. So 625 and 625 simplifies here, so that now here we have t to the power 1 over t. This is equal to 5 to the power 625. So from what we have here, this is the same thing as t to the power 1 over t. Now this is equal to, so here we have t to the power 1 over t. This is equal to 5 to the power 625. Now we can express 5 to the power 625 as 5 to the power 1 times 1 over 625. So this one is the same thing as 5 over 5. So let's substitute this, so that here is the same thing as t to the power 1 over t. This is equal to 5 to the power 5 times 1 over 5 times 625. The next step from here, applying the exponent property that a to the power n times m. This is the same thing as a to the power n raised to the power m. So applying this exponent property, we'll have t to the power 1 over t. This is equal to 5 to the power 5 raised to the power 1 over 5 times 625. So 5 to the power 5, this is the same thing as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So essentially, this is equal to 3125. So here we'll have t to the power 1 over t. This is equal to 3125 raised to the power 1 over 5 times 625. So 625 here times 5. This is the same thing as 5 times 5, this is 25, carry 2. 5 times 2, this is 10 plus 2, this is 12. So 12, carry 1. 6 times 5, this is 30 plus 1, this is 3125. So here we have t to the power 1 over t. This is equal to 3125 raised to the power 1 over 3125. So essentially here, you can see that the base here t is the same as the exponent t. So in this case, the value of t is equal to 3125. So this is the value of t. This is the value of t. So let's verify that this value of t satisfies the equation. So if you recall here, we end that 5 to the power t. This should give us a value of t to the power 625. So substituting the value of t here, we'll have 5 to the power 3125. This is equal to 3125 raised to the power 625. But 3125, this is the same thing as 5 to power 5. So this means that here you have 5 to power 3125. This is equal to 5 to power 5 times 6, 25. Therefore, you have 5 to power 3125. This is equal to 5 to power 5 times 6, 25. This is 3125. So clearly, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And therefore, the value of t, which is 3125, satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.